So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today we have a guest. It is Z9 Designs, and her theme is Heritage. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, Black History Month is a time to honor the strength, resilience, the legacy of those who paved the way. Their courage, creativity, and faith continue to inspire generations. We honor the voices, the victories, and the legacy that still speaks. Let us always remember the culture, the contributions, the powerful history that has shaped our nation and continues to impact the world. Amen. So this is how I decorated my table for the theme Heritage. The wine glass came from the Dollar Tree, and the water glass did come from the Goodwill. These absolutely amazing dishes. I love them so much. I did thrift them. I believe everything on the table was thrifted except for the placemats. So look at these dishes. These were definitely a great buy. Okay, so here we move on over to that charger. That was a great find at the Goodwill. All right, so I decided to layer these placemats. Here's the woven one, and then we'll move on over to this light burlap one, and both of these came from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and place this back. I think this looks beautiful. So the napkin, I went ahead and I wrapped it in that napkin ring, and that came from Kirkland's. And then the napkin itself, I believe I thrifted that, and we did that in the bow tie. Also, the flatware did come from Party City. Okay, and this is what my place setting is looking like. Now here is the centerpiece, and I decided to go ahead and use some wildflowers. The vase was DIY'd with items that I used from BB Crafts. And then we have the two black candles on either side, and that I got both the candle and the candle holder from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be in and out of the video. place setting was so beautiful. I couldn't help myself. I had to break it down again for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if you haven't been over to Z9 Designs channel, please head on over there, show her some love, and tell her I sent you. Amen.